In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Lovable with n8n. First, open your browser and head to the Lovable website. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account so you can access the dashboard. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard view. Look toward the bottom area of the dashboard for your account or profile icon. Click that to open your account options and then choose Settings. Inside Settings, find and open the Connectors section. This is where all available integrations live. In the search bar, type n8n to quickly filter the list. When you see n8n appear, click it to open the connector details. On the connector page, click Connect to begin setting up the link between Lovable and your n8n instance. Before you proceed, there are a few important details about the URL you'll enter. If you're using n8n Cloud, the format must be https your subdomain n8n cloud mcp server tp. Replace the subdomain with the one assigned to your n8n Cloud workspace and make sure you include the full path at the end, MCP server HTTP. Leaving that off is one of the most common mistakes. If you're using a self-hosted n8n, your URL should look like http://domain.com/MCP server HTTP. Two prerequisites are essential here. First, enable MCP in your n8n instance, and second, ensure your server is publicly accessible over HTTPS. Localhost or private networks won't work because Lovable needs to reach your server from the internet. If you run into connection errors, double-check that MCP is enabled and that your domain resolves correctly with a valid SSL certificate. One more note before authorizing. This n8n connector requires a pro plan on Lovable. If you don't have that plan, you'll be prompted to upgrade before you can finish the connection. When your URL is ready and you meet the plan requirement, click Add and Authorize. You'll be guided through the authorization step so Lovable can securely communicate with your n8n instance. After authorizing, you'll return to Lovable and your connector should show as connected. That's it. To recap, you navigated to Lovable, logged in, opened settings from the account icon, went to Connectors, searched for n8n, selected it, clicked Connect, entered the correct URL for your setup, and finished with Add and Authorize. If anything doesn't connect, revisit the URL format. Make sure the MCP server HTTP path is present. Confirm MCP is enabled on n8n, and verify that your endpoint is publicly reachable. With that done, your Lovable and n8n integration is ready to power your workflows.